Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to use Propwire for accurate property comparisons. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who want to go ahead and run a comparable with their property. How do you actually go ahead and use Propwire to do that? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But first, what we're going to do is that here we are logged onto Propwire. In the upper left-hand corner, we're just going to enter one of our zip codes. So here, we're just going to use one from Oregon. Next, what you're going to do is that you're going to start filtering out these listings. So in order to get a comparable, you can select lead type and then scroll down to where it says MLS sold. So now that we've narrowed it down to 403 search results, what you'll do next is that you're going to click on this more option and then click on property filters. And then this is where you want to make sure that your property types align with your property. So if it's a single family home that you own, you want to select single family home. But if it's a condo or townhouse, you want to make sure that you select condo or townhouse. Likewise with the number of bedrooms and number of bathrooms, we'll just select 3 plus and 2 plus. Now for the building size, I normally go plus or minus 300 square feet for the building size. So if my property is a 2,000 square foot property, I'll set this to 2,300. For the lot size or year built, some people use this, some people don't. I don't really use lot size, but if I had to, I would go plus or minus 3,000 for the lot size. And for the year built, you might want to filter it by year built. If down the street from your home, you have like homes built from all sorts of years. Let's say your home was built in 2023. You might want to filter it if down the street a home was built in 1950s. So this is a filter that sometimes comes useful. Next, we're just going to click on save and close. So as you can see, we've now narrowed down our search results to 41 search results. What you'll do now is that you'll basically scroll through the search results and you want to look for any outliers. So here we have like a 364, a 325. Here we have a 282. So what I'll normally do is I'll copy this address and I'll search it on Google Maps and I'll just take a look at the property and try to notate if there's any reason why it's much lower compared to the other ones. Sometimes in records, this might be considered a single family home when actuality it's a duplex. So sometimes it's not perfect. That's why you have to verify it yourself. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and run accurate comparisons on real estate property using Propwire. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.